Hi everybody, it's Janabelle from East Coast Mommy, and I have a great video today. I have some dollar store organization hacks you are going to love. So let's get started. My favorite items from the dollar store for organizing are the bins. They come in all different shapes and sizes and colors. I use them in my utensil drawer to put like items with like items and keep everything organized. I also use them in my drawer to organize my dishcloths, and I use them in another drawer to organize all of my cake and cookie decorating supplies. I also use bins on shelves in my office to organize all of my craft supplies. I just label each bin with a little wooden tag on a piece of twine. I have bins in my garage too for items that the kids grab quickly, like hats and helmets and suntan lotion. Dollar store command hooks are inexpensive, and they allow you to make use of unused space. So here I have a couple hanging in my hallway leading down to my basement, and I use them for my broom and dustpan. I also use hooks on the inside of cupboard doors. You can hang little sponge baskets from the dollar store on them and use them to hold your toothbrushes and toothpaste and other bathroom essentials. Then you can close the door, hide the mess, and keep your bathroom counter clean. I also love shoe racks on the inside of doors. This one is a homework station for my kids that they can easily see what's inside the pockets. This is one for my craft supplies, and you can use them for water bottles or hats and mitts or clothing. They're really great. The dollar store over-the-door racks are also really useful. I use them for backpacks or hats or coats or sweaters. Great for getting stuff off the floor. The kitchen section at the dollar store also has some fantastic finds. I have these spice holders in one of my drawers, which I really like. It's great for being able to see your spices and find them easily. These dollar store Lazy Susans are also great. I love them for baking supplies. And these towel holders are excellent in the kitchen. They fit right over a cupboard door under the sink, and you can hang your dish towels on them. You can also find things in the kitchen section that you can use in other rooms. I found this cutting board holder that I use in my bathroom to hold extra hand towels. I also found this paper towel holder that I use in my bathroom to hold a couple rolls of toilet paper, and I like it because it's small and it can tuck in behind the toilet. And finally, the dollar store shoe racks are great for shelving. I use mine to store extra food items in my basement. I hope you like these ideas, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Really helps my channel. Talk to you soon. Bye.